Okay, so that's the birthday again. This is the area that Anna's gonna have her birthday next year in 2025. On her birthday in April, the Kuro Revolving Sushi Bar, right in this area here. And then there's a cave barbecue and the cake we're gonna pick up that my brother-in-law posted right there, right there.
Finish it all in 10 minutes and I come back. You want to order again? We can get you some more. It's like a cycle, I guess. It's unlimited, but not really. You can finish it, you know?
How about the broth? Did you just pick one broth?
Yes, but let's say you don't like the broth that you picked. You can always swap it out for free. You don't have to like worry about charging for it. So you can try new broths. If you don't like them, you can swap them out. Don't worry about that.
Okay, and today's my birthday.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Happy birthday,
But thank you.
So actually, birthday people get a free drink.
Oh yeah, plenty of varieties here. Gotta love it. Oh, someone left their phone. Let me check.
Yeah.
Mom phone.
Oh, okay. Huh? Yeah, just recording here as Hot Pot, Soupleaf Hot Pot for all day dinner Sunday for my birthday. Just recording varieties here. So I'm trying to know, because I should really maybe choose this place as my birthday lunch here instead of going to the other hot pot or something. Okay, Happy Lamb Hot Pot or something. Well, they have more varieties. They sure didn't have lotus roots. That's one thing they don't have here, it seems. There's my wife. Oh yeah, love the crawfish. Can't say no to that. That's one of my favorite seafood. And octopusy, love it. Oh, this is General Sunbeam Titan, intellectual property under General Sunbeam. And yeah, appreciate the subscribe, follows, watchers, and all that. Appreciate the support, views, and recognition. And today's my birthday. Peace. Yeah. Oh, my birthday drink. Love it.
Can I drink?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, we share.
I'll share.
Glad to be spending my birthday here.
I got it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Very lemon, very
Mhm.
melony.
Got the sauce. Well, I'm glad to be eating here because they got more varieties here than the other place. The other place they share one big pot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this is better.
Because I want to cook my own soup hot pot here.
Can I try the vegetable broth? Oh, wait till it cooks.
Well, my broth is mala. They also have
Mala?
yeah mala.
Did you get mala too? Is yours boiled up already? Can I try this? We had tom yum before. We had this.
So after this, we pick up the cake right across from there at the 89 or something, the bakery.
This is not too far.
No, it's right next to Cape Barbecue.
Okay.
So it's between the Ranch 99 Market and next to the Kura Volume Sushi that your birthday is gonna be at next year.
Yeah, I know.
Oh yeah. Ooh, heck yeah.
Đậu hũ hả? Đậu hũ thường nó mua Costco chứ. Đậu hũ gì? Rồi medium à? Ok. Mấy vị? 5 vỉ đùi gà không hả? Đùi gà ấy hả? Mấy sen? 50 mấy sen? Ok. 5 pound cà chua. Ok. 3 vị đậu hũ. Ok. Ok. Tối nay.
Oh yeah, it's somewhere here, but I don't know if it's here. There's Dollar Tree, so we're in this area. There's Joanne Fabric Store. Oh boy, there's a helicopter. Zoom into the helicopter. There's a helicopter, and there's my wife. Oh, sorry, I gotta zoom in. There you go. All right, so I don't know. Okay, so I got this from a friend named Kim, and I'm sorry to talk about you, Kim. Kim Hernandez shared, and it's from a group, from a Facebook page or something, and it's here in South Austin. There's Dollar Tree, so I'm here to show some transparency and proof here. So this one here is a Scrubs is a boutique store. This has enough. Oh, let's see, wanted and banned from premises. Yeah, so this one, oh, there's an art, so it looks like a shoplifter. So wanted and banned from this premises. Oh, so a shoplifter. So from a boutique store.
In 300 feet, your destination will be on the right.
Yeah, okay, Google. So here, American Best, Shoe Carnival. So we're in this shopping center in this vicinity here on East Slaughter Lane or Slaughter Lane, somewhere near Manchaca Road. And we're trying to look for this grand opening anime store they said on Facebook. Well, it says anime store, and I don't know if it's a scam or they didn't give me a name of the store. It just says grand opening, and so Ultra Ability. So we're passing through Ultra Ability. They're hiring and they're updated store hours. So according to Google Map, here on 95,
your destination is on the right.
Okay, so we're here. So 95S South Interstate on Slaughter Lane. Well, I hope so. It's good. Why? It's a good thing I'm recording just to show proof. Yeah, there's my wife Anna. Asuna Neat 45, formerly on Instagram. Asuna Cute 500. Asuna Cute 500. There's. Oh, there's also a Dave and Buster. We're gonna check that out too. A Dave and Buster right in that area. 95H. Let's see, is it in here? In this JCPenney? I'm gonna check that out. I guess do a little bit of walk around. Yeah. Well, it's not. Yeah, it's not there. I don't know if it's here, because it says here we have arrived, and it's somewhere right next to J.C. Penney's, according to what the Facebook group, what Kim has shared. But there's Dave & Buster across from here in this area. Well, we might as well check that out, because I don't like wasting gas for nothing. Trying to find an anime store, and there's Target. Trying to find an anime store. It says here is in this area, is in this vicinity, and it says yesterday was grand opening. A cart. So we're passing through the grocery side of Target here on South ATX, here on Slaughter Lane, near Menchaca Road and all that on South Interstate. I don't know, let's check out Target. Maybe do a little bit of Target, walk around Target. Ooh, Starbucks, they got Starbucks. Oh man, feels like a super Target. Almost Christmas, almost Thanksgiving. Yeah. Oh, oh. Let's see, anything further on this side? Okay, well, I don't know. So definitely going back where we came from. Guess we'll just stop by Dave & Buster's, try to find a way to cross the street. Yep, this just proves that we came all the way here. Hopefully we don't come all the way here for nothing for that grand opening anime store. I mean, if it happened yesterday, then it should have been open. And if it's around here, it should have been somewhere here. Don't even know what's the name of the anime store. It just says grand opening and it gives the address to this location here, right next to JCPenney. So to show transparency, feels like we're just coming all the way here for nothing. I see Taco Bell, JCPenney's, and boutique stores and Dollar Trees and all that. And I guess to make our time worth it, we'll just go to Dave & Buster's. Alright, let's try to walk. I want to walk, do some exercise. Oh, you know what? Before we go there, let's walk around this way. Oh, cars coming. JCPenney 95H, 9500H. So that's where. I don't know if the store, if that anime grand opening store is somewhere further on the right side, but let's check that side first before we I don't know, check the Joanne fabric store. So we're passing through Ultra Beauty. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and switch to live stream. So this is General Sunbeam Titan reporting. Intellectual property belongs to General Sunbeam and Sunbeam Titan here. Just looking for that anime grand opening store from Facebook.